Ekansh, right now I want you to think of a place in your mind out of anywhere in the world, preferably the place that you have traveled to. Okay. And imagine yourself in your mind. You arrive at that place, you go to that place, and you are astonished to look at the location. And you click that picture in your mind. Have you clicked that?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have the picture in your mind.
I do.
What if I tell you that from the beginning of the conversation, I have this envelope in my hand, like right beside me, and this
I saw this.
envelope has exactly same picture inside that you're holding in your mind. Would you believe me? No.
Why would I be?
Okay, so you're thinking of the picture in your mind? Keep thinking. It's time to reveal. Okay. Finally. So he was thinking of the picture.
I actually was. How did you know?
I was just trying to bring some humor into the show. But before I turn this, I want you to say it on the mic in front of the camera, loud enough that what was the place that you're thinking of?
I was thinking of these mountains in Uttarakhand. एक जगह है वहाँ पे.
I think this was the place. I think this is the mountains of Uttarakhand that you were thinking of.
Oh shit.
Huh? Was this? So you've been to mountains of Uttarakhand?
Yes, I have been there a lot of times.
So do you have a very close memory when it comes to Uttarakhand? Something which is closely related to your heart?
So the very first group trip जो मैंने लाइफ में प्लान करी है लोगों के लिए वो उत्तराखंड में थी.
What was that place?
उस जगह का नाम था विराट खाई. चक्राता से आगे जाके आती है विराट खाई.
Ekansh, you mentioned about Virat Khai. I told you कि you are thinking of mountains of Uttarakhand, but I know for a fact you are not that impressed क्योंकि mountains तो कहीं के भी हो सकते हैं, है ना? And when I tell anybody to think of a place in their mind, बहुत common possibility है कि वो beaches, mountains सोच लेगा.
Right.
And ये कश्मीर के भी हो सकते हैं, ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट के भी हो सकते हैं. But if you notice this picture very closely, there are coordinates written there. So I want you to open your phone. I want you to open the phone, open Google Map and enter 30.57
30.57
67 degree north n
degree n
space 77.93 52 degree east, and search it and tell me what does it show.
Okay. This is the same camp where we stayed on our trip.
To mountains of Uttarakhand.
The mountains of Uttarakhand. Actually, that's quite impressive. And I think you'll have to teach me that. I'm impressed. Totally impressed.
ऑलराइट दोस्तों, अगर आपको ऐसी मैजिक वीडियोस देखकर एंटरटेन होना है तो सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड अबाउट एवरी मैजिकल अपडेट. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप मैजिक सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए एंड मैजिक कोर्स एक्सेस कीजिए. एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. I'll see you again on every Thursday and Saturday 7 p.m.